recognize the Election Commission as a constitutional body.
Yes, sir.
But merely holding elections is not enough. In a democracy,
I don't need this.
आप मेरा सवाल सुन ही नहीं रहे.
I beg your pardon, sir. I beg your pardon. I'm fully focused on what my lord is saying, ji. I beg your pardon.
When we talk about democracy and we talk about elections, elections is that mechanism whereby the will of the people is expressed. If there is any question on the integrity of that electoral process, then where does the buck stop? The Election Commission of Pakistan. It cannot say that so-and-so lawyer made a mistake, so-and-so candidate made a mistake. Now, coming back to this serial 22,
Ji.
how this particular candidate, did he acquire a seat in the assembly as a candidate of the political party or as an independent?
On serial number 22, my lord.
Serial number 12, 20,
as in
22,
22 पे आप आ जाएं.
As an independent, my lord.
एक second. Independent, how independent? He did not withdraw. And
He did not withdraw in writing. उसमें लिखा हुआ है मैंने ये KP में.
What does that mean in writing? Some form to withdraw?
I'll explain it, leadership. This was all happening on the 13th, and I'm making this statement under instructions. I'm an external counsel.
आप अगर देखें जो क्वेश्चन my lord the chief justice ने पूछा आपसे,
जी.
देखिए बात सिंपल सी है कि जो सिंबल है वो बात की बात है. यहाँ पे एक कॉन्सेप्ट जो मैं समझ रहा हूँ इस लॉ के तहत, बेसिकली पार्टी कंटेस्ट नहीं करती इलेक्शन कंटेस्ट करती कैंडिडेट. Party just provide a certificate of affiliation to that candidate. पढ़े 67(2) पढ़े.
Ji. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted the symbol allocated by the commission to the political party under the provisions of chapter 12 and no other symbol.
अब इसमें नहीं लिखा कि वो सिंबल अलॉट किया जाएगा जो पार्टी का सिंबल है. इलेक्शन कमीशन शैल अलॉट अ सिंबल.
इसके बाद सबसेक्शन 3 भी है ना.
बात की बात उस सूरत में होगा कि अगर जिस पार्टी ने उसको सर्टिफिकेट दिया, अगर उस पार्टी का सिंबल होगा तो उसको कोई और नहीं मिलेगा, वो मिलेगा. सपोज वो नहीं है तो क्या वो सिंबल के बगैर लड़ेगा इलेक्शन? ये देखिए इलेक्शन कैंडिडेट लड़ता है, ये ज़हन में रख ले. आप सिर्फ इस वजह से उसको डिप्राइव कर रहे हैं कि चूंकि उस पार्टी से जिससे आप एफिलिएटेड है उसका सिंबल नहीं है, तो इसलिए आप भी जाए.
बिकॉज सेक्शन में सर ये लिखा हुआ है.
सेक्शन में लिखा है कि आप देंगे उसको, आप सिंबल देंगे,
सॉल्व करें.
सिकंदर साहब, हो ये रहा है ना कि जस्ट इफ यू लुक एट द होल थिंग, I take you to be a constitutional body, as I already have mentioned. Article 218 says that you have to contest elections honestly, justly, fairly. It's a constitutional body. So you're faced with a problem that comes before you. There are nominations, and then you mix yourself with the fact that I cannot give him a symbol. I disenfranchise him totally from the election. Did it occur to ECP that a national party is going to be disenfranchised because you are mixing, not the court or anybody, you are mixing the fact that just if he's not having a symbol, which is just for electoral convenience, nothing else, that would take away his nomination from the back. That, I mean, as I understand, that weighed on your minds at that time,
Mr. Sikandar,
which I find very difficult to understand. A body which is a constitutional body.
And my lord, in a very, very lighter way, may I start by saying that in this case, as my lord Munib Akhtar, Mr. Justice Munib Akhtar had observed, my lord, it's the Election Commission which is always running to 2183, and it is the first case in which the appellates and the bench are relying on 82183
Rightly so.
and reminding us. This was a light comment, my lord, but factually correct.
I want to conclude
My lord, I will go back. Sir,
Sikandar Sahab, once again, day before yesterday, I have said we are here hearing the appeal under Article
185(3).
There are only 2 appeals before this.
Absolutely, sir.
And nor a single matter of allotment of single symbol or
PTI is before us in these matters. 90% of the arguments and the questions relating to, I am astonished at how this is going on. What is the substance of the appeal and what is in issue? Respond on that. There is a judgment, five-member judgment of the High
My
Court.
lord, मैंने ये बिल्कुल, I bow to what my lord has said. I bow to what my lord had said. I had.
That is relevant.
My lord,
You have
it's
to
very
decide
relevant.
whether that
Constantly,
judgment is correct or incorrect.
My lord, and I had submitted this on my last state of hearing, that very politely I had submitted that the ECP did satisfy 5 learned judges, and all the judgment is suspended. I don't contest that, but that is not being taken into consideration, that my actions and my decisions were not so absurd or fantastic that the 5 judges should have also then thrown me out, sir. They unanimously endorsed my decision too. And this is, and until now, with utmost respect, not one, it has not even been the endeavor of the appellant to open the impugned judgment. Here, there is the impugned judgment is the 5-member bench judgment. The CPLA says
इधर वापस आ जाए ना।
against judgment dated 25.
Mr. Sikandar,
You want us to, Mr. Sikandar,
Mr.
you want us
Sikandar, this is a question of first impression as
ठीक है।
earlier. We're expounding.
So,
the
my lord, but
Constitution.
इसका ये मतलब तो नहीं है कि
We are at the apex court. We're expounding the Constitution.
I
Don't tell us
bow-
about the 5-member bench. It's neither binding nor persuasive on us. We don't need to look at it.
ठीक है जी।
We need to look at the issue. We're expounding the Constitution.
But
It's
the
first
issue,
impression
my lord,
is
all I'm saying
have
is
some patience.
that-
Don't
sorry.
rush through the matters thinking that उन्होंने 5 member ने कह दिया तो सोच लें. There's a serious issue here. We want to understand
Fair enough.
that nominations filed by a political party they can't be simply disenfranchised just because you think a symbol cannot be given to them. ये बड़ी आसानी से आपने बड़ी जल्दी में dismiss कर दिया सारे question को और आपने कहा क्योंकि symbol नहीं मिल सकता था हमने सोचा कि बस को independent कर दें, not realizing the impact of that, you see. And how,
So can I ask the
That's the
question which is
question.
directly related to this?
इसका जवाब देना आप कैसे सोच रहे थे आप constitutional
I
body
think-
हैं
जी, sir-
इतना बड़ा सब फैसला कैसे कर
Sir,
लिया
unko, I think the bada
You left
फैसला
it to
was
ROs. I mean, maybe you
the-
never sat as a
that,
body.
that my humble submission is that the election commission saw the
चलो ये
solution
बता दें,
in
just adding to that,
these
ये बता दें
candidates
कि when
contesting as
this problem
independents.
cropped up, was this taken up seriously by the Election Commission of Pakistan? Did you sit down and talk about it? And are there minutes to
But I
this?
can ask the Director
पूछे?
General Law.
Were there minutes? Did you deliberate on this question? Or you left it to the ROs for this entire national election of the
No,
country?
sir, it was fixed for hearing. And
नहीं आपने अपना डिसीजन कैसे लिया इस बात पे
With
कि
regard to-
सिंबल नहीं होगा तो इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाएगा आपने फैसला किया ना ईसीपी ने कहाँ बैठ के किया दिखाए ना कब बैठे कब मीटिंग की इस बात पे
जी सर, मैं लेट मी चेक द रिकॉर्ड जरूर
बल्कि उससे पहले रिकॉर्ड चेक
क्या
करने से
आपको
पहले
इतना बेसिक सवाल पूछ
रिकॉर्ड
रहे
चेक करने से पहले ये बता दें
Yeah.
कि क्या आपके पास ये इख्तियार है कि आप किसी को इंडिपेंडेंट डिक्लेयर कर दें
No, sir, it is for the RO. He has.
No,
two-
no, no,
there
not
are-
for the RO. It is for the candidate and the party. That's all. ये दो
I-
दो अफराद के दरमियान agreement है.
Then the
Who are you?
provision of 60.
Who are
Section
you?
63 will be redundant.
अच्छा चलें सेक्शन 63 के हवाले से ये बता दें कि जब
67(3).
आप ऑल राइट इसके हवाले से ये बता दें कि जब कैंडिडेट ने आपको एक फॉर्म ए दिया हुआ है और आपकी चार्ट के मुताबिक वो स्टेटमेंट उसने एक पर्टिकुलर पार्टी एफिलिएशन दी है उसके बाद उसने जो डिक्लेरेशन दी है वो भी उसने एक पार्टी एफिलिएशन दी है सो देन व्हेन यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ डिक्लेयरिंग हिम इंडिपेंडेंट वेयर डू यू नॉट रिक्वायर एनी विड्रॉल फ्रॉम हिम क्योंकि आफ्टर ऑल दैट्स गिवन ऑन एन एफिडेविट ना इट्स अ स्worn affidavit उसने तो कहा I belong to a particular party and आपने कहा कि नहीं now you don't belong to a party you are an independent candidate so does your process require that candidate to be confronted or be asked to withdraw that affidavit yeah that just stays there and creates further confusion on the matter because you're relying heavily
मेरे ख्याल से सिकंदर
on this
साहब,
affidavit
आप ये जवाब बेहतर दे सकते हैं.
तो you're relying heavily on this affidavit जो उसने पहले दिन जमा करा दिया कि मैं इस पार्टी से बिलोंग कर उसके बाद आपने उससे नहीं कहा कि तुम ये विड्रॉ कर रहे हो या तुम ये वापस ले रहे हो बट आपने कहा अब तुम इंडिपेंडेंट हो गए हो सो देन
आप कैसे कह सकते
प्रोसेस क्या है आपका डोंट यू वांट टू नो एक एफिडेविट वहां पड़ा हुआ है वो नहीं कह रहा कि मैं दिखा दे कानून में ना जी